So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get into real bot lobbies. This is probably the only way to get into bot lobbies, so I'm going to make this as simple as possible, guys. This is your boy Choppa, and without wasting your time, let me show you how to get into real bot lobbies. Now the first things first, guys, what you need to do is open up a browser. Doesn't matter which browser you're using, but in my case, I'm using Google Chrome. And just type in fnbl.xyz. Now this is basically a website that you could invite bots from, and to actually do this, you must find a bot whose status is on available. Now guys, for example, this one right here, as you guys can see, I copied his username, his status is set on available. So I'll go back to Fortnite, into adding players, and just invite the bot, guys. So I've seen a lot of people saying that the bot is not rating up, so I'll show you how to do that in just a second, guys. The bot should immediately accept your friend request. If they don't accept it, you must add another bot, or you could just wait for a new refresh. So once that's done, man, I invited the bot, and I'm just gonna wait for him to holy shit, bro, look at his level. All right, so the only game mode this works on is Battle Royale Unranked. Now you can play this with your friends, you can invite your friends, it also works, but it doesn't work on real, guys, especially ranked. Really sorry, but in my opinion this is just useless. Get into bot lobbies, but if you want to level up, that's the only reason I would actually play with bot lobbies. Now you must make sure you're playing unranked and just rate. Now guys, if you see a matchmaking problem up here on your left, I would strongly advise you invite another bot. I did have that issue just right now, so I invited a new bot, and this one is gonna work 100%. Alright guys, now the bot immediately leaves your game, so it's going to be you versus a bunch of bots, guys. Now it shouldn't be that big of a problem if you know how to play the game. If you're not a bot, bro, you obviously won't die to these guys. Alright guys, so we're landing right now, and if you don't believe that I'm actually in a bot lobby, look at the players count up there. It's 99, and only one person is missing, and that is my teammate. That is the bot. Holy shit, bro, what it just gave me. Now there's a person landing right here, so look at him, he's right there. Now I'm gonna go right next to him to actually prove you if he's a bot, man. As you guys can see, I'm literally next to him, bro, and he's dead. Another person right here shooting me, so I'm gonna show you that he's actually a bot, guys. He's right there, and there's actually two of them here. Oh shit, bro, my mouse just got stuck. Bam, and he's a bot, guys. Now if you still don't believe me, I'm gonna get a couple more kills. Alright guys, this should be enough evidence that you guys are actually real bots, bro. Like, why would I even lie to you, bro? So you could try this. Oh, I got a last fight. So you could try this by yourself. I mean, it really doesn't take that much of our time. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been your boy Choppa. You guys could literally go ahead and try this by yourself. I mean, why would I even lie to you, bro? This is the only way to get bot lobbies. And as always, peace out. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.